but how to print it. If you diligently work on the niches I've mentioned. Look, I've made many videos on different niches, but today's video is different from all of them. Anyone interested in any niche should visit the channel and check it out, and subscribe to the channel as well. Okay guys, now that you've come to this video, watch it completely. You'll learn something great from it. Look guys, whatever niche I'm going to teach you today, you'll have it ready in just 15 to 20 minutes. If one short video takes 15 to 20 minutes, you can easily make 8 to 10 videos daily, and you'll have to upload 4 to 5 videos daily. Now, look guys, if we're easily making 8 to 10 videos daily, why did I ask you to upload only 4 to 5? Look, there's a reason for this. If you make 8 to 10 videos daily, you should upload at least 5. Save the remaining 3 to 5 for the next day. So, your question might be, what will we do with the next day's videos? Will we pickle them? No, not like that. If you want to be successful on YouTube, you need to be prepared in advance. We need to store some videos so that on the days when we can't make a video for some reason, they'll be useful. Look, guys, it's obvious that we're busy for a day or two a week, or rather, we don't have time. Sometimes, we get sick and don't have time for the entire week. Whether we're celebrating a friend's birthday, spending time with family, or working, it's very difficult to find time. If someone at home gets sick, they have to spend a few days in the hospital with them. Or, if there's a farm workday, the poor guy gets exhausted from working all day, and then he can't even make a video at night because of fatigue. And not only that, sometimes you have to spend time with guests, then drop them off at home, and sometimes you even have to do farming work. You even have to go and tend to cows and goats. These are the challenges in a person's life, which keeps them busy for at least 15 days a month. That's why I told you to make 10 videos daily and upload 5 of them daily. Store the remaining 5. The rest is up to you. Now, let's start our video. The videos I'm about to tell you about will need to be downloaded from an app called Kawazo. Watch the video completely, because uploading a video from the Kawazo app to your YouTube channel could result in the termination of not only the video but also your YouTube channel, resulting in a copyright strike. So, don't skip this video. Follow the process outlined in this video carefully to avoid any strikes. Now, I'll tell you how to download the app later. First, let's learn how to download the video and how to download it. So, for this, we'll open the Kawazo app. Then, we'll play a few videos. Click on the ID of any video you like and open it to see if it has similar content. If not, go back and look for another video. Open the ID of the video you like and see if it has similar content or similar videos. I'll explain why I'm asking you to do this later. First, let's understand what to do. Now, copy the Kawaii ID of the ID that has similar videos from here and save it to Notepad. Now, watch another video. Open the ID of any video you like and copy its Kawaii ID and save it to Notepad. Okay, guys, so we're doing all this so that we can upload videos of a similar genre to a channel, so that our target audience will connect with us. This will ensure that future videos we upload will get a good number of views. Look, first let's understand the YouTube algorithm. What the YouTube algorithm does is send any videos we upload first to our target audience, meaning our subscribers. Now, if we have a target audience, it's obvious they'll watch our videos. Now, if our videos get a good response from our target audience, the YouTube algorithm will send our videos to a new audience. Then, anyone from that new audience who likes our videos will like them and follow us. So, we've copied the channel's Kawaii ID from the Kawazo app so we can only upload videos from that one channel, and the Kawaii ID will make it easy for us to find that channel. So, let's start our video. Look, guys, first we'll copy the Kawaii ID from where we want to upload videos. Now we'll open the Kawazo app. Then, click the search icon and paste the Kawazo ID in search. Open the channel that appears. Play a video and click the share icon to download it. Notice the download button. If we click on it and download the video, it will download, but it will have a watermark. Therefore, we'll download this video in a different way, which will eliminate the watermark and still download the video in HD quality. So, for this, we'll copy the link to this video by clicking the copy link button. Then, go to your Google Chrome browser and search for Kawazo Video Downloader. Open a website. Paste the link here. Then, click the submit button. A couple of ads will appear, and we'll cut them. Look, the video has appeared. Click Save Video. A new page will open with our video. To download this video, click the 3 dots and then the download button. Then our video will start downloading. Okay, so this way we can download unlimited videos. Now let's try downloading a video from a different ID. First, copy the ID, then open the Kawazo app. Go to the Kawazo home page. Click on search and paste the ID here. Now search, open the first ID. Now, let's try downloading a video from here. So, play the video. Now, click on share and copy the link. Then, go to Kawazo Video Downloader and download this video using the same process. Okay, guys, now let's talk about how to download this app. To download this app, go to Google Chrome and search for Kuvazo APK download. Now, open the second website. Look, it says, free APK download. Click on it. If an ad appears, click on the cross button to remove it. Then our APK will start downloading. Click Download Anyway here and download the app. Okay, guys, we're almost done. Now it's time for editing. Friends, you should understand editing well. If you learn editing, the chances of copyright strikes on your videos will be eliminated. Okay, so now we'll use the VN app for editing. You can use any editing app. To do this, open the VN app. Click the plus icon. Click New Project and add the video you want to edit. Click on the video and click Next. Now the video has been added to the VN app, and you'll see that there are no watermarks in the video. This is a plus point for us. Now play the video and see how the video speeds. If the video speed is too high, we'll reduce the speed. If it's too low, we'll increase the speed. To do this, click on the video and click on the speed option. From there, go to regular and increase the speed slightly. After that, check the video and adjust it. Okay, now, we'll click on the video and zoom in a little with both our fingers. Now, we'll cut and delete a 1 to 2 second segment from the beginning of the video. To do this, we'll go to the place where we want to cut the video and click split. Now, click on the next 1 second segment and delete it. Okay, guys, now we'll do one last thing. Click on the video and click on the filter option. From there, we'll go to adjust. Then we'll go to the sharpen section. Then we'll turn the sharpen filter to full. Now we'll go to shadows and keep the shadows around 20%. Then we'll go to saturation and keep it at 10%. Now we'll click vibrance and keep it around 30%. Then we'll click OK. Now, play the video and check it. Now, we'll turn down the volume by clicking volume. Okay, guys, so, if you want to do a voiceover, watch this video 4 or 5 times to see what's happening in it. You should do the voiceover according to what's happening in the video. To do a voiceover, click tap to add music and then click record. I won't include a voiceover. I'll just use YouTube Music. If any of you want to do a voiceover, I'm giving you a demo on how to do it. Okay, this is how you can do it. If you want to use AI voiceover, check out these videos. Now we'll increase the volume of the voiceover. After doing this, we'll export this video by clicking on the export option. Look, guys, our video is ready, and now it's time to upload it. Look, let's learn how to upload a video to YouTube. So, first, open YouTube. Now, if you're adding a voiceover to your video, upload it directly using the Shorts option. If you want to use YouTube Music, play a few shots and listen to it. Now, click on the music you want to upload your short video with. Click on Use this sound and then click on Add. Select the video you want to upload, then click on Next. Then click on Done. Wait a few seconds, then click on the next arrow again. Then click on Next. Now click on the pencil icon and add a nice short thumbnail. Then click OK. Now, add a nice title. For example, look how all these marbles are being loaded into a truck. Now, use some hashtags, like #SSS, #trending, #YouTube, #SSS. After doing this, click on Private and select Public. Now after clicking on Select Audience, click on the second option. No, it's not made for kids, because nowadays children watch videos on their parents' phones. See, you will come back. Now here click on Alternate Content and click on Number. Come back and now directly upload the video. Our video will be uploaded in a few seconds. Okay, the video has to be uploaded in this manner. Now you should not think that our videos will get only views. See, to be successful it is important to have patience. Nothing will happen with these 1 or 2 videos of yours. Upload 4 to 5 videos daily. You will get the result within 10 days.